Hello friends, so I have made a large terrarium and today I will explain you what exactly terrarium is. Terrarium is a word which is derived from aquarium, and aquarium means aqua means water. Do you see I have made a pond here? So ideally this can be an aquarium. So the life in water is called aquarium. But terrarium is terra, which means land. So the life on land, all these life, the bird, the tortoise, the ladybug, plants, everything. The life on land is called terrarium. So I have made a huge terrarium in this box. Okay, you can call it as semi-closed terrarium, because it can open halfway. And here I have represented mini forest kind of ecosystem, in which you can see there is a small pond with ducks, and there is mushroom, there are some plants, even the falcon is around, and some nice plants I have put which loves humidity. Even if it is closed, it will get humidity and these plants will grow well. And there are some moss also, which are their live moss, and these are dried preserved moss. This will not grow, but this will always remain puffy if you water spray it. So yes, it looks beautiful, isn't it? So you can also make your own terrarium whenever you want, and you can gift it to your loved ones. What you can do, you can even, if you want, you can just keep it open up like this, okay? Or if you want, you can even